Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Sigma USB dock model and that your lens firmware version requires an update. This avoids mismatches. Connect the dock to a USB 3.0 port with a reliable cable and open Sigma Optimization Pro. Install it if missing. Once done, power the camera and mount the lens in the dock. Make sure camera battery is charged to at least 50% to prevent interruption. You're now ready to detect the lens in software and proceed to firmware or profile tasks. You'll see the connected lens in Sigma Optimization Pro. Select it, and first save a backup of the current profile so you can revert if needed. Then choose Firmware Update or the Optical Adjustment tab depending on your goal. Read the change log and set adjustment values in small increments. While the dock writes firmware or saves profiles, watch the progress indicator closely. Don't unplug the dock or shut down the computer. Interruptions can brick a lens. When complete, confirm new parameters are applied. You now unmount the lens and perform methodical test shots across apertures and focus distances to verify corrections. Check center and edge sharpness and autofocus behavior. If performance is worse, restore the saved backup immediately and retest. This is why you backed up. If the dock stalls or the software cannot detect the lens, retry on a different USB port, use a new cable, or reinstall Sigma drivers. If problems persist, contact Sigma support, but document error messages and steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.